A Amazon seller called BZ Seed sent me this USB rechargeable portable electric juicer blender. Try to say that 5 times fast. They wanted me to test it out, and in return, they gave me a free product. It's made out of food grade glass. It's pretty heavy duty. It has some nice weight to it. It has a cute little handle that you can travel with, and of course the cord can plug into any outlet.
Alright, so we're going to test this blender out, and we are making smoothies. I have joined in on a collaboration, and we are all making smoothies. If you want to find out all the other channels that have participated, click the hashtag smoothies. So our family goes to the gym every week, and we make protein smoothies all the time. Alright, so we have our ingredients right here. I just went to the backyard and picked some blackberries, raspberries, and a peach. So we're going to add that in right into the blender. So we're just going to add about a half a peach. Alright, so normally I add almond milk, but I'm all out of almond milk, so we are just going to use regular milk right now. And some ice. And some protein powder. Alright, we're going to put the lid on. Works pretty good. And then you can take this part off. And then you can put the bottom on. And then you can take it wherever you want. And drink it. Really good. So another thing we do is we spend a lot of time outside barbecuing. This will really come in handy with making margaritas. So what you want to do is add some tequila, some ice, some margarita mix, and then put this on, turn it on, and then hold it down. That sounds pretty good to me. Take it off, and cheers. Could even salt the rim. This is perfect. And of course, like I said in the giveaway video, this blender is part of the giveaway. So now it's time to pick the winner. But I'm gonna take my margarita with me. Alright guys, so it's time to pick the winners, and Tristan, of course, is going to pick from the hat. I better hold it up really high because he's really tall. Go ahead.
Alright guys, let's do this. See who wins. Oh.
Alright, let's check the winner. Who is it?
Alright, we got Lost on Land again. Alright.
So Lost on Land, you won the giveaway. So make sure to contact me with your address and name and all that, and we will send you the prize. Thank you guys so much for watching our channel, and thank you so much for all the wonderful subscribers.
Alright guys, have a good day.
Bye. See you in the next video.